Good day, children. This video is brought to you by Vivekananda Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Grade 6 Maths. Okay, children. Last class we saw exercise 1.2 all the sums. Today we are going to start with new topic, the order of operation. The order of operation is a rule that tells you the sequence to follow when you are performing operation in a mathematical expression. If more than one operation are given in the problem, the rule of order of operation is called BITMOS. Is used to avoid common arithmetic mistakes. Okay, already you people are know very well BITMOS. B means bracket, I means indicate, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. If more than one brackets are given, the innermost bracket should be completed first. Okay, so going to start up with the exercise 1.3. In that exercise 1.3, first question is the fill up. 3 fill-ups is there. The next question is the true or false. 3 true or false also is there. One words and all. Next class we will see. Okay, now third question. See the third question. The number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months were 1200, 2000, 2450, 3060 and 3200. Okay, now what they are asking means how many people visited the library in the last 5 months. Last 5 months how many people are visited in library. They are asking past 5 months. Okay, they given the 5 month people count also. We want to count and say the answer. Okay, people, see the solution. People visited the library for the past 5 months. So I written past 5 month people counting. So what we want to do now, they are asking total how many people are visited in library. So we want to add only. So total people visited how much? 11,910. So 11,910. The total people visited in library 11,910. Okay, now next question. Charan had a bank saving of rupees 7,50,250. He withdrew rupees 5,34,500 for educational purpose. Find the balance amount in the account. Find the balance amount in the account. So first balance amount, what we want to do here? Of course we want to do the subtraction only. First we want to write the total amount, that means saving amount we want to write. See the solution. Bank saving of Charan equal to rupees 7,50,250. 50,250. How many rupees he withdraw? He withdraw 5,34,500. Now what they asking? Balance amount only they asking. Okay, how many rupees are there in the Charan account finally? Okay, so balance amount equal to, what we want to do? We want to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 5 how much? So I will take the borrow. 12 minus 5 7. Here 9 is there. 9 minus 4 5. Here 4 is there. 4 minus 3 1. 7 minus 5 2. So balance amount how much ma? 2,15,750. 2,15,750. The balance amount in the account rupees 2,15,750. Okay, now next sum, fifth sum. In a cycle factory 1,560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of the bicycle manufactured in 25 days. One day how much bicycles are manufactured means 1,560. They asking Then 25 days, how many bicycles are manufacturing, they asking. So what we want to do here, we want to do the multiplication only. Okay, see the solution. Number of bicycles manufactured in one day. One day how much ma? 1560. Okay, next step, see number of bicycle manufactured in 25 days. We want to do the multiplication. See the multiplication solution also. Now first I will take the 5. 5 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, so remaining 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 how much? 28. So 8 remaining 2. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. So next to 2 table. The 2 zeros are 0. 6 2s are 12, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 how much? 11, remaining 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So now we want to add everything. What is the final value? 39,000. Number of bicycle manufactured in 25 days is 39,000. 39,000. One day 1560 bicycles they manufactured. They are asking the 25 days. 25 days means how many bicycles ma? 39,000 bicycles. Okay, now next question. Rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a new year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did each receive? Okay, they saying 62,500 rupees they given to the 25 employees for new year bonus amount. They asking, they given the amount is total amount 62,500 for 25 employees. They asking each people how many rupees they going to get. Okay, each people how many rupees they going to get the bonus for new year celebration. Okay, now see the solution. Total amount distributed, how many rupees totally they distributed? 62,500. 62,500. Okay, number of employee received the bonus, how many employees are received in bonus? 25 employees are received the bonus. Okay, now what we want to do, how many rupees each employee can receive, that only we want to find out now. See next one. Amount received by one employee equal to, amount received by one employee equal to 62,500 divided by 25. 62,500 divided by 25. 62,500 divided by 25 how much? How much ma? 2,500. 2,500. So each employee can receive rupees 2,500. Rupees 2,500 for the new year celebration. Okay, now next 7th sum. Like that example sum, like only this 7th sum. 7th sum is a very important sum. Always they ask 2 mark or 3 mark only this question. Okay, see, simplify the following numerical expression. Simplify the following numerical expression. First question, bracket 10 plus 17 close bracket divided by 3. Close bracket divided by 3. Here first we already I said you order of operations. First what we want to do, division, multiplication, addition, and then last only subtraction. Suppose they given the bracket means first we want to complete the bracket portion only. First we want to complete the bracket portion only. Here also they given one bracket 10 plus 17. Yes, correct, I am right. Bracket 10 plus 17 close bracket. First in that question first we want to complete the bracket portion only. So what is there in bracket inside? 10 plus 17. 10 plus 17 how much? 27. 10 plus 17 how much? 27. Now we want to divide this number by 3. Okay, 27 by 3. How much ma? 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. So the answer is 9. Okay, don't confuse the first order of operation means nothing. First we want to do the bracket. If question any other bracket is there means first we want to complete the bracket only. Next only we going to start up with division, multiplication, addition, and then last final only subtraction. Okay va? So 10 plus 17 divided by 3. First I want to complete the bracket portion. So 10 plus 17 equal to 27 divided by 3. The answer is 9. This is very important 2 marks sum. Okay, next question. 2 minus bracket 3 minus bracket 6 minus bracket 5 minus 1 close bracket and then close bracket. In that question they given the 3 close bracket. I am right. First what we want to do now, see the solution. I written the question equal to 2 minus bracket 3 minus bracket 6 minus bracket 5 minus 1 close bracket. I am right. First see, first we want to complete the 5 minus 1 because it is the innermost bracket. Innermost bracket means bracket kulla bracket first எது இருக்கோ அது நம்ம complete பண்ணனும். That is the innermost. Okay va? So here I completed first 5 minus 1. So 12 minus bracket 3 minus 6. 5 minus 1 how much? 4. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So I written here 4. Now next step, 12 minus 3 minus 3, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 how much? 2. 6 minus 4 how much ma? 2. So I written here 2. Now 12 minus 3 minus 2 how much? 1. 3 minus 2 how much? 1. So now 12 minus 1 is how much ma? 11. 12 minus 1 is how much? 11. So this is also important 3 marks sum. Okay, in that sum first you want to see the in that sum they have more bracket. So first you want to see the innermost bracket only. So here innermost bracket is 5 minus 1. First you want to complete that. Next you want to complete the 6 minus 4. Next only 3 minus 2. And then last we want to do the subtraction, normal subtraction only. Okay, now next sum. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus bracket, again bracket 3 into 2 close bracket minus 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 and then close bracket. Okay, here first what we want to do, here they given the 2 brackets. Okay, in that bracket also we want to see which one is the innermost bracket. So I written the solution 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus first bracket, inside one bracket also is there. So 3 into 2, 3 2s are what? 6. So 6 minus 6 divided by 2. First I completed 3 into 2. Okay, now next step, 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 how much? 3. 3 2s are 6. So 3 is the answer. Next step, 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 3 how much ma? 3. 6 minus 3 how much? 3. Next step, 100 plus 8 divided by 2 how much? 4. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Finally everything is add only. We want to do the addition. 100 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 107. 107. That is the 107. Okay, children please listen here. Order of operation means again and again I am telling you, first you want to see the bracket. In your question bracket is there means first you want to complete the bracket portion only. Next only you want to do the division, multiplication, addition, and then last only you want to do the subtraction. Suppose in your question they have more bracket, okay, one or two more bracket is there means first you want to complete the innermost bracket only you want to complete, okay. Then only you want to do the then only you want to do all the normal operations. Are you clear? Example. Thank you, students.